Hello everyone, I am Vedansh, student of Engineering Physics third year. My topic of presentation is sum of cubes of first and natural numbers using 805. This is a brief calculation behind the code. If we denote sum of cube of sum of the cubes of first and natural numbers by Sn, then uh, if we take a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, if we split it, then it will be splitted like this. And if we do it with 1 0 2 1 3 2 4 3 up to n to the power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4, and if we all add all these terms, then these terms will get cancelled. So in last it will left like n to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4, and addition of these terms and these terms will give 4 times 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube minus 6 times 1 square plus 2 square up to n square plus 4 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and minus n times 1. So if we use the like use the value of the sum of the squares, which is n into n plus 1 into 2 n plus 1 by 6, and and use the value of the sum of first and natural numbers, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then after solving this equation, we will get Sn equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square mm, by 4, which can also be written as n into n plus 1 by 2 whole to the power 2. Now the flowchart of the code is, we will take input number n, then we will add 1 to this, so we will get n plus 1. We will then store n plus 1, and then we will multiply n with n plus 1, and we will then store n into n plus 1, and we then divide it by 2, and then storing n into n plus 1 by 2, and to get Sn, we will square this term. So we will multiply this term by itself, and we will then store output. Now adding 1 to get n plus 1. I will first initialize the b and c with 0 0 values, and I will put 0 to 0 0 at I will put n value at location 0 to 0 0, and then I will transfer this value to the register b. Then I will increment a, then it will be a plus n plus 1, and then I will store this value to c, which is n plus 1. So finally I have n in location b, in register b, and n plus 1 in register c. Now to multiply n with n plus 1, I have to add n plus 1 times. So I will first initialize the accumulator with 0 0 value. Then I will add b, because in b I have n, so I will then decrement c. So n plus 1 will be decremented by 1, and J and Z will check if the value of c is 0 or not. So each time it will run in loop, and n will be added n plus 1 times. Now for dividing by 2, I will first initialize c with 2 value, and I will initialize b with 0 0. Now our final dividend will be stored in b, so I will first increment b by 1, then subtract c value from accumulator. Now J and Z will check if its value is 0 or not, and then the loop will run again and again, and finally the answer will be stored in b until this value will become 0. So now I will store value of b in a. So in a we have the value n into n plus 1 by 2. Now to get n into n plus 1 by 2 power whole to the power 2, I have to multiply n into n plus 1 by 2 with itself. So I will first store the value a in location 0300, and also at the location 0301. Now LHLD will store a value of 0300 at location H and L, 0300 and 0301 at location HL, and XCHG will exchange this value of HL pair with DE pair, and then I will store value of D in C, and I will then initialize the D and the HL pair with 00 and 00. Now DADD will directly add DE pair in HL, so, and DCRC will decrement the value of C, which is already I put it the value D in C, and this loop will add HL, add the value of DE pair in HL again and again. So our final answer will be in HL pair, and this SHLD will store this value in at the location 03E6. Let's take the example of 4. Then if we take n is equals to 4, then 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2 whole to the power 2, it is 0, it is 100. Now let's run this code in simulator. Let me assemble it first. Program assembled successfully. Now let me put uh, value 4 at location 0200. Now let's run this program again. Our expectation is 100, so let's check at the 036 position. 100. Thank you.